3, 2.
The Wonder Queen goes to Clark! So who's our guest for today? Mister, introduce yourself.
I'm Sherwin Manny from Angeles City.
Yay! So what is our topic for today? Of course, all about Clark.
Clark.
So what can you say about Clark? Ikaw muna bago ka namin tanungin.
Ito po yung lugar namin ng magandang lugar na for retirement and investment. And nasa tabi po kami ng airport.
Yes.
Airport. And all the businesses here is around Clark.
Wow. Actually, Sherwin, no, I've been here siguro a few months ago kasi one of my clients is looking for a hotel. Dito ba Taramacada, dito sa Clark, lahat is for rental lang, di ba?
For rental.
Oo.
Inside Clark are rental, sublease. But outside Clark, this for sale. Ito yung Don Rico, it's hotel ad. Karamihan po dito, mga for sale din, but almost puno na. So meron mga kamanis dito.
Oh, actually, napakaganda eh, no? Especially sa food, right?
Ako, ang dami ko pong masasagot, baka maubos sa oras. Pero marami ako, ayaw sa kami tumilas.
Yes. Ano ba tayo doon?
And then here, dahil nag-adapt na po, maraming taga-Angeles sila Korean food.
Yes.
And of course, nandito yung mga American dishes. We have the best steak here.
So, favorite ko yan.
Oasis.
Oasis. And also, ano pa?
And the rest are competition. Kasi halimbawa, one example here, kung restaurant ka, pag hindi masama pagkain mo, definitely one you have to close it.
Wow,
So the food competition is very
competitive.
Yung mga matagal na restaurant dito, number one is Angeles Fried Chicken.
Wow.
One of the oldest restaurant. And meron pa rito yung tapat po na church. I forgot the name, but masarap po rito. That's on Balibago.
Actually,
chicken or
For the chicken.
one thing I've noticed dito, na property inspection ako dito. Ang maganda dito, bukod sa restaurant, sa daming Korean business talaga dito. Cafe, ang dami. You must go, mga cafe. Mga samyutsal, ang dami. The hotels are really booming, sobra. And syempre, ang lalaki ng development na gagawin dito sa Clark, di ba? So, actually, mga mega mall pa nga, mga malalaking mga malls na itatayo talaga yung infrastructures. So, ang isang pang na ano dito, of course, since naghahanap ang mga kliyente talaga natin for hotels, talagang ano, iba eh, no? Iba ang Clark ngayon talaga. Plus, madaming pasyalan ng mga bata, ha? Kasi may mga dinosaur park, di ba? Meron tayong yung aqua planet ninyo. So, sobrang daming pupuntan. For family talaga siya.
So, ang tanong, from Quezon City or Manila, ilang hours pupunta dito sa Clark?
Ay, yeah. Oo.
If you're on car from Quezon City, I think mga isang oras na.
So, diba, isang oras lang? And in terms of future developments, Sir Win, ano ba ang mga future developments here?
Last time we reported that Clark is aiming for Aerotropolis. The center piece is the airport. Pero kulang pa tayo ng hotels. That's why nag-invite pa ang Clark to build more business hotel. And yung po paikot dito, nandun po yung Green City,
Ayan, means.
Angeles City, lahat po yan. Then there's connecting train going to Manila, and there's also train going to City. Lahat po trying to connect the airport to City.
Okay, so that's it for Clark. We're gonna explore the city. We're gonna be here till tomorrow. So we're gonna share everything to you.
Pero kakain tayo sisig
Yeah.
I want to eat sisig.
Okay, bye. Thank you for now. Thank you, sir.